Okay, so I have built a model here of Build a Boat for Treasure in full high definition. And, as you can see here, it's has moving grass, and it has a flag that moves in the wind, and moving trees, and we have a beautiful ray tracing. I think it would be probably it would be a little hard to play this game if it was a real thing because of the shades. If you were like trying to make some really accurate thing on the backside of this boat here, then it would be a challenge because of the shades. It's so dark, but it looks very beautiful. Looks very beautiful. The boat is just a model I've put in. It's not something I have built because this now I call it a game, but it's not really a game because you cannot build anything in this. It's just a model. It's just to see how it could look, how it would look if Build a Boat but for Treasure was made in high definition with ray tracing. And yeah, otherwise it looks like the Build a Boat, just with a lot of more detail, lots more detail, and it was just a fun little project. But the screen GUIs, like the buttons you see on the screen here, the launch button and the menu button and the hammer and the delete tool, it doesn't work at all. It's just put there on the screen just to resemble like the real Build a Boat for Treasure. I am not at all skilled enough to design a game where you can build stuff like Build a Boat for Treasure. So this is just a humble little model. Actually, let me show you something here, because I was a bit lazy. I have only built one island, and I have only built this one here, and it's actually the white base, but the placement is wrong because the waterfall is over there. You see the waterfall, and yeah. Oh, the water moves too, of course. But as you can see, the other islands are not built. Not the other bases are not built. So yeah, I'm that lazy. It was just a little show, but it's possible to do some beautiful pictures in this model. Probably my screen recording and everything has made the quality a little bad, but let me just show you some of the pictures I have taken, and yeah, let me know what you think. Would this be a good idea, or is this a terrible idea? And would you like to try it? Or should I make it possible for people to join this little model to take some pictures? Would you like that? Or oh, of course I have the animated face now, so that yeah, it goes very well with the high definition. Makes everything look more real. And here's some pictures I have taken. Again, let me know what you guys think of all this, and enjoy. See you next time. Bye.